Well, hello there. So today we are going to make some rainbow dandelions, and it's going to look a little something like this. Now you guys at home can make it on white paper. I chose to make mine square, and what I did was I just drew a green line as my stem, and I dotted each color. But we're going to make our colors. So first thing you're going to need is some paper. You're going to need red, yellow, and blue paint. You don't need a whole lot. A green marker or crayon, some Q-tips, and a pencil. And you might need a circle to trace, because here at school, I actually took my tape and I traced a really, really light circle all the way around. So that way they kind of had some guided lines, and then I divided it into 3. Like a pie, just like this, almost like a peace sign. So, what are our primary colors? That's right, you guessed it, red, yellow, and blue. And do we know what our primary colors do for us? They make our other colors, and those colors are called secondary colors. So they make orange, green, and purple. So if you mix yellow and red, you get orange. And then yellow and blue gives you green, and red and blue gives you purple. So first things first. You are going to take your red, or take a Q-tip, and you're going to dip it in your red paint just a little bit, and you're going to make some dots all in that very top triangle. Just a whole bunch of dots. We're not going to swipe it, we're just going to make dots and fill it all the way up. If you accidentally dot outside of your circle, that's perfectly fine. Dot, dot, dot. So I am painting with my Q-tip, and I am painting 1/3 of my circle, because how many primary colors do we have? We have 3. So I divided it into 3s, so you get 3/3 of a circle. And I've painted 1/3 red. So now I'm going to take the other side of my Q-tip, and you can take a new Q-tip if you want to, that's fine. And I'm going to dip it in my yellow, and I'm going to go down to my next one, and I'm going to paint that one yellow. Do, do, do. Oh, that whole thing yellow, that whole triangle. This would be a good project to do with a brother or a sister. Just have some fun. Lots of little dots to make a bunch of little flower petals. And there we go, there's my yellow. So I'm going to put that aside, because for me, I'm going to use it again to make the rest of my colors. But again, if you need to use an extra Q-tip, that's no problem. So I'm going to take a clean Q-tip, because that one's all dirty, and I'm going to dip it in my blue, and I'm going to color in my last triangle, or pie piece of pizza. Do, do, do. All right, so there is my red, yellow, and blue. So you should have something like this. So you should see 3 colors. So now I'm gonna go back to my red, and I'm gonna dip it back in my red, and I am gonna cover half of my yellow triangle, just like this. Might make a little magic, like a little line right there, that way it makes it right in half. And I'm gonna dot it with my red right over my wet yellow paint. Because what's gonna happen? What do you think's gonna happen? You guessed it, it's going to mix together and it's gonna make orange. You might even want to go back over it with a little bit of yellow. Yep. Okay, so now I have how many colors? Red, orange, yellow, and blue. So now, what comes before blue in the rainbow? It's green. So we're gonna dot over half of this blue with some yellow, and let's see what happens. You think I'm gonna get a new color? I think I'm gonna get a new color. What color do you think I'm gonna get? That's right, we're gonna get green. It's starting to come together. We have 1 color left. So we're gonna put that one aside now, and I'm gonna pick my blue one back up, because now for my last color, I'm gonna go over half of that red with my blue to make what color? Purple. Purple's one of my favorites. Now this purple might be kind of hard to see, but that's okay. You can go back over with a little bit of red if you need to. Oh, now I can see that pretty purple. And I might dab some little color off to the side, because when you blow on a dandelion, what happens? Some of the petals fly away, because that's how you make your wishes, right? And there we go. There's our color wheel. Good job. Looks just like a rainbow, and now it's a pretty little flower. And what you can even do is you can take some of that purple into the middle and really kind of mix some of all of these colors up and make a little circle. Dot, 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 dot. And that way it makes the middle of the flower. And there you go. There's your flower. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I certainly enjoyed making it with the kids here in class, and they all did a super great job too. I can't wait to see yours, and I will see you next time. Bye.